Okay, here I'm back. I've taken the screws out. I just loosened the top two because they have a little cutaway allowing me to take it off without removing them completely, and I remove the other two screws. Then I take this device off like this. I'll just leave it hanging in here. Try not to rip this because it has all the wiring there. And here's the flapper valve I was trying to show you before, but it was too dark. So this opens, lets the ice out. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. That's where the ice comes out. And if it remains open like I have it right now, warm, humid air will enter eventually, condense, and it will then obviously freeze over, and you'll have all that frost build up in the chute. So this could be caused by two reasons. That is keeping this open. Either this solenoid right here, which is hard to see, is defective. That's the case here. It's all rusty. You can't see this, but when I take it apart, you'll see. For some reason, they always make these in carbon steel instead of some kind of protected corrosion-resistant material, so they do rust over. This is the second time I've done this in 9 years. Another defect could be this seal right here. This is a rubber seal, which I won't take apart right now. This could be damaged and not sealing the surface correctly. I had to do that once too. This had been all warped, so even though it was closing correctly, the flapper itself, but the seal was insufficient because the rubber gasket here had been damaged. So now I'm going to take the electro valve here, or the solenoid, sorry, off, and then clean it up. I won't show you that part because I'm just cleaning it up. I had rust on it and it was defective, so it wasn't opening and closing. As you can see, maybe you just saw that, and I had, okay, let's see if it's not doing it anymore. Okay, here's the case where it's not closing correctly, even though there's a spring. You can see, maybe you can see, I can fit my finger underneath here. So it's not closing. Now it just did. Here it just didn't. So this should be closing automatically. Once the electro valve releases, the spring should close it. It is not closing. And this is caused because there's rust buildup and some other stuff stuck under here. So another pause while I take that apart.